guys, welcome back to my channel. Before that, I'm going to tell you about an announcement that I was thinking for a long time, and I did not do it because I wasn't sure if I'll be able to pull it off, what if I miss or anything like that. So now, after doing a continuous kind of video for every Fridays or Saturdays, I have come to a conclusion that I think I'll be able to pull it off. So the announcement is something that is related to Friday or Saturday videos, wherein every Friday or Saturday I'll be having some different kind of video. Even if it's related to makeup, it could be a review Friday or a Saturday, or fitness that I've done for the past week. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link it down below, so don't forget to check those videos. And if it's makeup related, it could be first impressions or something that I'm trying for the very first time, and that sort of videos. I'll also try to do some kind of challenges. So if you would like to see me doing some kind of challenges, do let me know in the comment section below. So now coming back to the video for today, I'm going to do a review video for two skincare products that I've been using for the past 2 weeks now, and it is from a very affordable range. It is a product from the brand called Derm Dog. You get these products available in purple and I think so Nykaa, but I'm not sure about Nykaa, but purple for sure. I have got these products from purple. I have everything written down over here so that this review thing goes pretty smoothly, and I can tell you all the thoughts that I have collected for over the 2 weeks that I've been using these products. So I'm going to move on to the products. The first product is a Derm Dog Anti-Aging Face Serum. Now about this face serum, first of all, this is how the outer packaging looks. This is how the inside of the packaging looks. It comes with a dropper. So this is how the dropper, very regular, nothing fancy, and I like it to be classic, so dropper and everything is fine with me. So now coming to the ingredients. So I have been seeing a lot of videos surrounding these brands and these products. So these are Indian brands, Indian products. So they retail for $355, but definitely I've got them on sale. So you can always check Purple, they are always there on sale. So that is out of question. You will get it in an affordable price. I don't remember the exact amount that I have got it for, but I'll try to mention it down below. Now coming back to the ingredients. So the main ingredient here is the hyaluronic acid. Then comes vitamin C with retinol. The third ingredient being niacinamide. So the face serum, I use it for the night time. Now I will give you all the reasons and why you should use it only during the night time. First of all, this is an anti-aging face serum, and I personally feel that girls, or anybody for that matter, from the age of 25 plus, or I would say because we use so much of laptop, we have such long period of screen time, mobile, and for me personally, these lights, filming and everything, aging starts from a very young age of 22 and plus, and I am 22 plus, so I know this for sure that fine lines, wrinkles can come to you very fast. So that is the reason that I have started using such face serums and creams at such an early age. So now this, the main reason why I have bought this is because of the retinol that it has. Now retinol, for that matter, it helps to reduce the fine lines, the aging, it helps to repair your skin, to make your skin produce more skin cells and everything. So that is the main reason why people use retinol. It is very important to use retinol only during your nighttime skincare, because retinol tends to have a reaction when in contact with sunlight, or even for that matter of fact daylight. So it is really important to use retinol only during the night period of time. Other than that, hyaluronic acid, it helps you elevating the dry skin cells. So it has exfoliating properties, which is very good for your skin. Then, as I said, it has vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, so again a plus point. Other than that, niacinamide is a product that is really good for oily skin, but it does not mean that you as a normal or a combination skin type cannot use it, but it is really good for oily skin type because it helps to reduce the big pores, and I personally feel that I have a lot of pores, especially in this area. So products like this helps to reduce the size of your pores and all those things, which in return gives you less production of oil. So again, a plus for me. So all the things that it says and it has are really good for acne prone skin, oily skin, pore skin, skin having a lot of pores, that is what I meant. So it is a very good product in itself. Now my thoughts about this product is that I really have a lot of acne marks, more than active acne. I have a lot of acne marks, but as you can see right now, I'm not wearing any makeup, but I have reduced the amount of pigmentation of marks that I had on my skin, and my skin feels really smooth. Like 2 weeks and this is the result. I can only imagine if I use it for a prolonged period of time, such good results could be achieved from this serum, and its affordability is a steal for me. So that is the, of course, there. Now I'll show you the consistency. I take about 2 drops for my face and I massage it before I apply it, and I make sure I don't apply it under my eyes. So you're not supposed to apply retinol because of all the strong properties that it has near your under eyes and all those areas, because they are really sensitive areas on your skin. So I just pat it and let it sit and dry. It really helps to even out my skin tone, make my pores look really small, and the production of oil. Like normally if I apply a night cream and I wake up the other day, I have oil, like I took a pause because that is the amount of oil that is there on my face. But after the use of this retinol serum, the production of oil has also reduced, which is a very good thing. Like for me, it is, the deal is done over there. So that is all the thoughts that I have for this product. Now I'm going to move on to my next product. The next product is this under eye moisturizing serum from the same brand, DermDoc. So this is how the outer packaging of the product looks. Again, it is the same packaging with a dropper, a little smaller in size. So I forgot to mention the ml. Okay, this is 30 ml, whereas the under eye serum is of 10 ml. It retails for $199. Again, I got it on sale, so do check purple.com. You get amazing offers. So yes, that was about the price point. Now this contains sodium hyaluronate. Now about sodium hyaluronate, because I did not know what exactly that is, I did a little bit of research and I came across this product to be really moisturizing, and it can be applied around your eyes also, not only under eyes but around your eyes. So even if I have oily skin, I tend to have dry patches, especially in this area. So that was the reason I wanted to try an under eye some kind of cream, and I have tried the Himalaya under eye cream and it did not suit me. Like I had fine balls kind of thing going on, and I did not know what was the reason, and I figured out later that it was that cream when I stopped using it. But coming to this product, it is such a good product. Like I had got very on the normal terms of dark circle, but after applying this, my dark circles also have toned down. Dark circles usually don't just vanish. So any cream or any serum claiming that the dark circles will vanish, I'm going to take it with a pinch of salt. But here the moisturization and this under eye serum is so good that my under eyes feel really good. I don't have to go with excess moisturizer before applying concealer. Sometimes I even just apply this and tap on some concealer and I'm good to go. That is how good this is. But then again, I use it for the night period because your skin tends to heal during the night time, and that is when you need all the good things to be there on your skin to make the process better. So I use it during the night period. Again, it comes with a dropper as mentioned. I take about 2 drops. That is more than enough. I understand why they are selling it in 10 ml, because you just need like a pea-size amount, and I take it onto my ring finger and I just go in a windshield wiper motion with the finger and apply it, and with the remaining thing I just go around over like this. It is so nice, and the texture also is very gel like, so it does not make it any oily or anything like that, or I don't even have any kind of reaction to it. So the main reason of using these products for over a long period of time was to see if my skin is reacting. So to sum up my thoughts, I would just like to mention one thing that I forgot to add during this anti-aging face serum, is that the retinol kind of sometimes can react to your skin adversely. So it is prescribed and it is suggested that you need to use it for 1 or twice in the initial stages and then see if your skin is reacting, and then if it's not, you can increase it to 3 times a week or every alternate day. So for me, I knew that retinol suits my skin, so I was using it continuously every night during my skincare. So, and the results are amazing, as I already have told it 100 times right now. So I would highly suggest both of this product. Now Dermadoc has a lot of hits and misses, so the disclaimer is that skincare is something is very subjective to each and every skin type, every person. So you need to try out each and everything, if they suit you, if they are not suiting you. So you need to understand your skin and then continue any product. It is not like I'm suggesting and you are using and it is not showing you result. It's because it might not suit your skin. So I think that is all that I have to say. I am highly recommending this brand, Dermadoc. I have a lot of products that I've bought from this brand, but I have tried only these two, so I thought I should let you all know about how I feel about these two products, because these are like the nighttime products that I have been using. So I think I have given a fair share of my review of both these products and the brand itself. I really like their product. They are affordable and they provide good quality product, which is a plus on both the sides. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye, take care.